Hi, hello, good evening. This is Hanuman Naik and welcome to my channel Career Q3 Study. Today our topic is time and work. Time and work is a very important topic for any competitive exam. So nowadays whatever the questions are coming for the quantitative aptitude, without time and work we can't expect the question paper. That is, we know all are those who are preparing for competitive exam, they knows that. But when you are writing the exam, we are losing the marks from the time and work. Why this situation is happening? Why this situation happening means behind this time and work, 5 reasons are there. What are the 5 reasons? Complete time and work, it depends whatever they are asking the questions from the previous paper. If you observe, only 5 methods are there. Only 5 methods. What are those 5 methods? How to solve these 5 methods? That is our topic. Today's our topic is what are the previous questions they are asking. In the next upcoming videos, I can detailedly explain what are those 5 models in detail. For one model, I will take the 10 to 20 problems. Now, in today's session, I will cover these 5 questions. What the depends upon what they are asking that. What are the 5 important models? So, in that 5 models, I am not going from the easier simple level to hard level. I am coming from the hard level to simple level. So wherever you are preparing and practicing the models and writing the exams, we all are knows that minimum basics of time and work. That is my intention. So due to this reason, I started the question wherever the questions from hard level to simple level. I am not going from simple level to hard level. I am coming from hard level to simple level. So in this first question, the question is, this question is related to joining and leaving. So the question number 1, X and Y, the two persons. When we are reading the question, we have to realize that we have to recognize which model this is the question. Which model this is the question. Out of 5 models, which model you have to find out. Once if you find out whatever I am telling, the rules and regulations and simple tricks you have to follow, you can get the solution within 10 to 15 seconds. Any time and work problem. So read the question. How we have to read? Do you know that X and Y can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days? Yes, 20 days and 12 days. I will complete the first question. After that, I will tell you trick. And X started the work alone. Who? X started the work alone. Then after 4 days, Y joined him. How many days? After 4 days, Y joined him till completion of work. Right? How long A did the work to last? Means that, what is the meaning of that? In this question, X and Y, the two persons are there. Right? So X can do complete a piece of work in 20 days. Whatever the work is there, that work will complete by A in 20 days. And same work completion of Y in 12 days. Right? So A can take the 20 days and B will take that 12 days to complete the work. Right? So after that, what happened? X started the work alone. Means that beginning initially X only started the work. Right? For example, if there is a work, I am only the person, I started the work. Right? I am only the person, I am started the work. Then after what happens? After 4 days, one more person is joined to me. One more after 4 days. How many days? After 4 days, Y is a person joined to me to complete. And together, me and Y both are completed work to completion of work. Completed, how much work is there? Finished. Now, from this point, what you understood, boys? From this point, you have to think yourself and one more person both are completed a work to how much work they give. But who started the work? A started the work. After 4 days, Y is joined. After 4 days, A and B, means that X and Y both are together, they are doing the work. Yes or no? So since that before 4 days, X only the completed some work. How much they completed? He only completed how much? 4 days of work. So that in this condition, both are completed work in how many days? We don't know that. So first, what we have to do? So step number 1, we are understood the question now. So first A and B, they are together, X is alone started the work. After 4 days Y is joined, means that who he did the work is more. Complete the A and B, X and Y, who did the more work? Me and you. One more person is there. I started the work. You feel like that. I started the work. After 4 days, one more person is joined to me, and we together we completed work after few days. So in this scenario, who we started work? Me, myself. Means that I did the work is more. Complete to B, complete to Y. Who will did the work is more? I only did the work is more. So in this situation, what you understood? Yes, X is did the work. How many days more? 4 days more. Now your step number 1, how to solve the problem. So see the boys, my first step is, in my first step, what I did, I drawn 2 lines, in between of that what? Plus symbol is equal to 1. That means that, so first line and second line in between plus is equal to 1. Is equal to 1 is indicates that is work is completed or not. Its work is work is completed or not. Yes, the work is completed means is equal to 1. Whatever they are giving the question, the all question for joining and leaving is equal to 1 only, because of they completed the work. Without completion of that work, they won't give the question. So why I drawn the first 2 lines is, see the step number 2. In the step number 2, what I did, in the first line denominator I wrote that 20 days. That is X will be complete work in how many days? 20 days. So X 1 day work is how much? 20 days. X 1 day work is 20 days. That is by denominator is equal to 20 plus, and Y's work is 12 days is equal to that. Now is a very important step is third step. So your complete solution will come from the third step. If you do any mistake here, your answer will be wrong. Your answer correct or wrong is depends upon step number 3 only. Your answer is correct or wrong is depends upon step number 3. What I wrote in the both the condition, X plus 4 and Y is in the master of Y, X value. What is this X? X means that X and Y both are completed work, together completed work in some days now. I don't know that day. So I assume that X and Y together they completed work in X days, that is small x, right? So in both the condition I wrote X and X's work is X and Y work also X, because of the both are completed same work in same days. After, and one more important thing is what? X is a person, he completed the work, he started the work alone after 4 days, means how many days he did the work is more? 4 days compared to Y. That's why I wrote that what? Plus 4. I wrote that what? Plus 4 in where X work. X plus 4 by 20 plus X by 12 is equal to 1. Understood this step? If you understood this step, then your next step is your calculation. I hope you know that 20 comma 12 LCM is how much? 60. And if you simplification do the calculation proper, that is 23 is 60, 3x plus 12 plus 12 5 is 12 6 is how much? 72, 12 5 is 60. So this is how much? 5x. So in the calculation 3x plus 12 plus 5x, because of 12 5 is 60, 5 into x, 5x is equal to 1, and 3x plus 5x is equal to 8x is equal to 60 minus 12, that is 48. X value 48 by 8, that is a 48 6 are 48 days. So X, what is the meaning of X is equal to 6 days? X and Y together they did the work now. So that is how many, after how many days they completed? 6 days. But our question is not X days. How many days A did? A means who? X. X did the work will be completed. So initially he alone did the work in 4 days. Plus how many days after he joined together they did 6 days. 4 plus 6, 10 days. Complete work did by A in how many days? 10 days is the problem. So this is the problem, whatever I explained to you, important problem and one of the most important model, joining and leaving. So thank you. Are you understood this? Again, I will teach one more problem is important. And if there is a 10 minutes also, don't think that we are wasted 10 minutes. In this 10 minutes, you may land one model of concept. Okay, feel like that, and hope you enjoyed my problems. And thank you. Bye bye.